Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super soft and cushion memory foam pillow that this brand sent to me for the video, which I tried it already. And I want to say two things. So I'm right here in my couch, not in my bed, because I think this is the pillow for napping. I think it is the pillow for napping. It is really good for taking really nice and comfy naps. And for people that likes to have something really firm for sleeping, this is not a firm memory foam pillow. This is a super cushion memory foam pillow, which is you're gonna see how soft this one is, but it's more soft. I think it's the softest pillow that I ever tried before. The memory foam, you can see how reacts and how that reshapes. So that's actually something that if you don't like something that is super soft, if you don't like the memory foam too much, if you like something more firm on your neck, on your head, and if you are a stomach sleeper, this won't be the pillow for you. But if you like soft, if you like memory foam, if you like something really good for the back of your neck for when you're sleeping with your stomach up, that will be the pillow for you. But with that being said, I do want to show you how soft this pillow is for taking good naps. It's actually lay down a little bit. So I'm not going to put a cover so you can see better, but this is how, just take a look at this. How this is so nice. You can see that it makes kind of like a really deep hole in the actual pillow because it works with the weight of your head. So that's why I'm thinking that it's much better for people that is sleeping facing up. I do know that it also works really good for people that is like side sleepers, but for people that are sleeping like with the face up, with the kind of like stomach up, like chest up, this pillow is really, really good. Super soft, really, really cushion, as you can see over here. And I think it kind of like, let me show you. So I know that I have my head over here because I do have my microphone clip, but just take a look at how, yeah, for side sleepers, works really good too. Like it has a really nice cushion, it has a really nice resistance, but again, I don't think it is a pillow for people's stomach, like laying down on their stomach. So one more time, you can see how nice this one looks over here. Super soft, queen size, memory foam, and you can just like put one of those like really nice velvet or silk cover or something like that, and you're gonna have that really nice posture right here with this extra soft memory foam pillow.